Paint chip repair. Cleaning and preparation. Using a scribe, remove buildup inside larger chips. Using 2,4,5, remove contaminants by wiping entire area to be repaired with blue shop towel. Lay color chart on painted surface and choose Quick Cover Paint. Quick Cover Paint application. Aggressively shake paint for 1 minute. Apply dime-sized amount of Quick Cover to applicator sponge. In a circular motion, apply Quick Cover to rock chips in a maximum 2 foot by 2 foot area. Some bigger chips may require more than one application or use of dabber brush to fill large chips. Allow paint to dry for 1 minute before removing the excess Quick Cover. Quick Cover paint removal and polish. Fold a blue shop towel in half twice, making an approximately 5" by 5" square. Shake 180 bottle for 1 minute. Apply 180 directly to surface area and blue shop towel. In a light up and down motion, not circular, slowly wipe painted area. Add more 180 to lubricate cloth when it begins to grab. Using one side of microfiber, remove excess 180 in a circular motion. Flip microfiber and polish to a deep shine. If paint is removed from chip, simply start over at step 2 in Quick Cover Paint application, then follow to Quick Cover Paint removal. Repeat all steps to complete service around vehicle.